across England and Wales. You might be able to escape the worst excesses of the heat and indeed the high pollen levels by heading for the coast, where there'll be some cooling sea breezes. But as you just heard in that report, it is not going to last, because from around about Tuesday onwards, as you can see from the colours on the temperature maps, it is going to turn cooler, and we'll also have some fresher air moving in. In fact, there is some wet weather on the way. It's this area of low pressure lurking to the south on the border between France and Spain. It's going to drift northwards through the next 24 hours. The first arm of that is likely to push some thundery showers up across western parts of England and Wales, and eventually by tomorrow some of those thundery bursts of rain will be getting into Northern Ireland and Scotland. So we're keeping a very close eye on the situation, because later today, tonight and tomorrow across northern western parts of the UK there could be some quite torrential downpours likely to cause some local floods. Well, no sign of any of those thunderstorms across the London skyline at the moment, just a little bit of thin, wispy high cloud, and as you just heard, we're expecting the temperature in London today to get up to 30 degrees. Now on Tuesday it's looking pretty good for Wimbledon again, but there could be a rumble of thunder late in the day, and then on Wednesday that cooler, fresher air will have arrived with a 40% chance of a shower. I mentioned some high pollen levels, but of course the sun is very strong, right the way down into Europe. We've already seen how we're going to be hotter, at least London hotter than Athens and indeed Rome today. 28 in Rome, 30 degrees here in London in the sunshine. Rather more in the way of cloud for Northern Ireland and Scotland, a few scattered showers there. And then as we go into the evening, the first hints of that low moving up, with perhaps a few rumbles of thunder and some downpours appearing in southwest England and across Wales. Some heavier showers by then, perhaps getting into Northern Ireland. Now overnight tonight, some of this wet weather will creep north of the border into southern Scotland, and I think we're likely to see some more heavier thundery rain getting into the eastern side of Northern Ireland as well. Certainly a sticky night in the south. Tomorrow the thundery rain continues in the west, that's western parts of England and Wales, continues to gather across Scotland. There could be some very wet weather there, indeed some more heavy showers to come in Northern Ireland. We keep this very hot, humid air in the southeast. On Wednesday, things turning showery and fresher in the south, and then gradually that wet weather moving away before the next batch